Hey guys, gawin natin to. Okay? So let's start a sketch in that plane. So ang plan natin is to mirror. That is 90, 25, 40, and 90. Let's make a long plane over there. 100. Yep. Let's lock this. Delete the dimensions muna. And tangent natin. Okay? Then ito, pwede natin point snaps, tangent to here. Okay? Alright. Trim natin. Ito. At ito. Let's move the dimensions. Mirror natin. And our mirror line is this. Apply. Done. Delete this. Extrude natin. That way. 10 millimeters. Okay. Let's turn on the visibility. No. Select these two. Itong asymmetric. So 5 sa loob, 20 palabas. Right. Let's fillet 3 millimeters. Then sa dalawa. Apat. Okay. Now yung distance from here to here is 60. So half ng 60 is 30. Tapos select natin tong mirror. Select all the solid. Click the mirror plane and select this as the mirror plane. Mirror yan. Right? So hide that. Turn the visibility off. Gawin natin tong bridge. I will do start sketch sa XY plane. I'll project this lines. Okay. Then gawa ko ng line from here to here. Okay. So that is radius 25. So 50. Tangent natin dito. Tangent natin dito. Then 25 minus the thickness, which is 10. So 15. That's the inner. Oh. 15 times 2. 30. Yeah. I want to mirror na lang this. Mirror plane. Then, yeah. So, here's the vision. Trim na lang. Let's trim the inner. Trim the outer. Don't forget to trim this and this. Okay. Linisan natin ng konti. Yan. Okay. Now, let's extrude this. And yun lang. Make a hole. So, both sides. Kahit anong value. Okay na yan. Yan. Okay? Let's turn the visibility on. Extrude naman natin to. So, yan. Yung symmetric. Itong between. So, between this plane and this plane. Okay. And that's our bridge. Gawin natin yung handle or something. So, XY plane ulit. This one. Gitna. Then, distance is negative 50. 20. And tsaka 40. Yeah. So, gawa tayo ng dalawang mahabang lines. Lock natin to para di gumalaw. Tension natin here, and tension natin here, tension natin here, tension natin here. Trim, 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 trim. And trim ko rin dito. Project ko tong ito. Then extrude. Yan. Symmetric. And 20 lahat. Yan. Turn the visibility off sa lahat. And you're done.